1926.1053 Subpart X, ladders. The following requirements apply to all ladders as indicated, including job-made ladders. Ladders shall be capable of supporting the following loads without failure. Each self-supporting portable ladder, such as this one, shall be capable of supporting the following loads, at least 4 times the maximum intended load, except that each extra heavy-duty type 1A metal or plastic ladder shall sustain at least 3.3 times the maximum intended load. The ability of a ladder to sustain the loads indicated in this paragraph shall be determined by applying or transmitting the requisite load to the ladder in a downward vertical direction. Ladders built and tested in conformance with the applicable provisions of Appendix A of this subpart will be deemed to meet this requirement. 1926.1053 Subpart X under 6I says, or 6II, the rungs and steps of portable metal ladders shall be corrugated, knurled, dimpled, coated with skid-resistant material, or otherwise treated to minimize slipping, such as the steps seen here. 1926.1053 Subpart X. Number 8 says, a metal spreader or locking device shall be provided on each step ladder to hold the front and back sections in an open position when the ladder is being used, such as seen here.